Hey there, budget enthusiasts. If you're diving into the world of YNAB, that's you need a budget. You're probably eager to customize your financial tracking to fit your life perfectly. Today, we're tackling a super straightforward task: how to add a new category in YNAB. This will help you organize your expenses more effectively, whether it's for that coffee habit or unexpected travel funds. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your YNAB account on the website or app. Once you're in, head over to the main dashboard where your budget overview is displayed. It's usually the first screen you see, packed with your categories and spending summaries. Now, locate the Budget tab or section. It's prominently featured, often on the left-hand side. Click on that to open up your full budget view. Here, you'll see all your existing categories listed out. To add a new one, look for the Add Category button, which is typically at the top or bottom of the categories list. Go ahead and click it. That's your gateway to customization. A pop-up or new window will appear asking for details. Start by giving your category a clear, descriptive name, like groceries or home repairs. Next, you might want to assign a budgeted amount if you know it, or leave it blank to adjust later. YNAB also lets you categorize it under a group, such as needs or wants, so select the appropriate one to keep things organized. Once you've filled in the necessary info, hit the Save or Add button. Voila! Your new category should now appear in your budget list. Take a moment to double-check it. Make sure the name is correct and it's in the right spot. Adding categories in YNAB is a game-changer for staying on top of your finances. It only takes a minute, but it makes your budgeting feel tailored just for you. If you run into any hiccups, YNAB's help resources are fantastic. Give this a try, and let me know in the comments how it's transforming your money management. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more YNAB tips.